Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeff. So in this video, we're gonna check out SM Rookie's SR15B_0701 dance practice. I'm guessing that's a date. Yeah, this one has pre-debut Johnny, Taeyong, Yuta, Tan, Jaehyun, as well as Hansol, who I've heard that left SM. This is quite a short video, so I'm also gonna check out NCT 127 Fire Truck, the dance practice. So just a disclaimer, I did already watch Fire Truck because I was curious. A while back, but you guys have been suggesting it, so I think I'm just gonna do kind of like a dissection on it. It's been a while anyway, so I might still have some surprises on it. I'm not gonna watch a music video because I have watched it already, and it wouldn't be more of an analysis. That would be kind of just me watching it. Okay, let's go check these out. Oh my god, fetus! Yes! The fuck? Why already? Jesus Christ, you can tell they were already good right off the bat. What the hell? Man, that kick sent me to freaking Mars. Yeah, that one. Oh, so cool. Nice turns, very controlled turn there because yeah, you need that control there. Boom, because it goes right into the next move. So normally with with spins, it becomes a little bit out of control because it's not aerodynamics and all that. But obviously they did it really well. Lots of dynamics here because it goes aggressive and then smooth. Oh man, Johnny moves so fast for his height. Look at that. That switch is actually quite difficult. This entrance here, boom, boom, and what Johnny and I'm guessing that's Hansol or Yuta. No, that's Hansol, I think, because Yuta's at the back. So because it's quite fast. You're going from one end to another, and then you're switching moves like that. Ooh, that spin. Boom. Yeah, you can tell Ten's training is there. I mean, training, by that, like, I keep forgetting he doesn't have complete, like, ballet training, but he has gymnastics training. So, I don't know, it's just so, like, the way he's spinning, it's so ballet. Who else is here? Nice! Oh, damn! Ah, that fucking pop. I'm just gonna swear here because it's so good. Wow. Where's Jaehyun? Oh, there you go. At the back there. Holy crap. Nice. It's so fast. I can't. Oof. Who is this in the middle? Is this Taeyong? Is he in one of them? Yeah, that's Taeyong. Damn boy is ripped. Oof. Jaehyun. Oh my god, that you can tell how hard that one was because it's just that is just it's very difficult execution. It's like controlled spasm again. Not a lot of people can do that because it's quick, but at the same time you gotta make sure that you're finishing your moves. I talked about this in the 2x versions. When certain choreography is fast, we tend to forget. We tend to cut our moves so that we can go to the next move right away because it's quite fast. But they completed every single move of that. The extensions, the spins. There was no lazy execution there at all. Yeah, just I'm in awe. Okay, let's go to Fire Truck.
Getting lifted.
Getting lifted. Sorry. Nice domino effect there. Oh man, floor work. Yeah. First time I watched it, it was just like, it's insane. It takes a lot of energy to be on the ground. Takes a lot of bruises to be on the ground. Like that move right there. It's a switch in balance, right? Especially in that speed. Feels like I'm watching this for the first time again. Hey! Nice. That's a really good control all throughout this sequence here. Like that part, boom boom. It looks so young here. And then it goes into different rhythm. It just changed quite quickly. Head-chan, tail. That's actually, it becomes very difficult after a while. That movement, just because it's all on your shoulders and you're down there. So from your spine up to here, to your shoulders and to your arms, that's all working, and it's quite repetitive in this choreography. Oh, is that win-win? I can't. Is win-win in this? That freaking flip. That one, it suspends, right? It's a lot more difficult than your normal cartwheel because it spins in the middle of it. Lots of control there. Is this like the same era as NCT Dream Chewing Gum? Cause Mark looking the same. Oh, that was so synchronized. A jump. See, they're on it again. It's like drumming movements. I don't know if there's a reference to a certain cultural group, because I know there's a lot of cultures that have their own kind of way of drumming, and that's specific to them. So it seems like this would be like it too. Man, the switch in that. So from the arms and then to the feet. Oh my god. Oh. That freaking... I can't get over the... Wait, where is it? It's so odd, this choreography. See, the way he controlled his whole body to when he's lifted. So when I talk about this all the time, the way he's lifted there, he needs to control his whole body so that the weight is distributed throughout his whole body, so that the people that are not that are holding him don't have a lot of work to do, because it's a collective effort. And then it goes into this like sharp movements. Fire truck. Right? The thing about this dance is that it's so big. You know, there's a lot of extension and a lot of rhythm changes as well. Like it goes into this and... Fire truck. I keep saying fire truck. Fire truck. Chad. So same idea here. He can't just place everything on his feet. It's not gonna work like that. But he's also singing, like, come on. This is giving me like cherry bomb energy. Ooh, look at Mark! Look at his details. The tippy toe, he went hard on that. I can't. Look at that. And also Taeyong and I make Kimika this guy on the right. But do you see the difference in their feet? The way Mark pulled that image, this beautiful body line. Oh my god, he's hitting this hard. This is giving me cherry bomb vibes and he's giving me the same energy. Oh yeah, I remember this part. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, hardcore freaking chorus. Energy, and then down to there, and then turn, and then do this freaking thing, and then goes into here. It's just so continuous. There's no breathing. Now I can breathe. I can see why they tout this as their most, like, their hardest choreography. You can tell that they trained hard. It's just so intense the way they're training. I have nothing to say. I'm speechless. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, do like and subscribe. And if you do subscribe, make sure you tick that notification bell so you don't miss any content from me. And if you'd like to get to know more about me, do check out my Instagram and Twitter down below.